morning, everybody. It's early morning.
And today we're gonna teach you about pumpkins!
Pumpkins! Okay, so what do we need to teach people about pumpkins?
We have to teach them how they grow.
How they grow? Okay, so this right here
It's a girl!
is a girl flower, right? And you can tell because it has this ball on the back. And that ball is the ovaries.
Yes, that's the baby.
That will be a baby. And then on the inside, you can also tell from the inside the different shaped parts on the inside.
This is a boy flower.
And this is a boy flower, and how do you know it's a boy flower?
Because it has no little ball, right? Just like the girl.
That's right, there's no little ball underneath at the bottom of the flower. And the inside is a single piece. And then show them the other flower that I pointed out to you. The one over there. The one that hasn't opened yet. Yeah.
Well, we just have to go to the girl flower to the boy flower, and that's how you make a pumpkin.
Which one first?
Girl.
Boy first, then girl. And that's how a pumpkin is made, huh? So yeah, the bees have to first visit the male flower and then visit the female flower in order to pollinate the female and these ovaries back here and make a pumpkin. Now, do we have a few pumpkins? You want to show them the pumpkins? Where are the ones that are pollinated, that are growing?
So these are the pumpkins.
Yeah.
And they're not quite ready yet, that's because they're super green. And I've gone over back there, and that one isn't ready.
They're not ready yet?
No, see this green? It means they're not ready.
Because it's green, yeah. And it's still July, and pumpkins won't be ready until about October. Got a few months left for those to grow, huh? Anything else we should tell them about pumpkins?
They're super pokey, and would you like to know why they're super pokey? Because that's how it got made.
They're adorable. You want to tell them about yellow jackets? What do you want to tell them about yellow jackets?
If you leave yellow jackets alone, then they won't actually sting you.
As long as you're not bothering their nest, that's right. Or their food.
Or their home.
Yeah. You know something interesting about vines? They have these little tendrils. The tendrils have a name, but I don't remember what it is. But these have touch sensors that whenever they touch something, they grow around the thing, and that's how they can climb up trellises and arbors and poles and just about anything, and why they stick
How
to
do you
everything.
like my red popsicle?
Don't chew on my popsicle stick.
It's a popsicle.
Yeah, well, eat the popsicle off of it. But see here, this one was touching its own leaf, and it wrapped around it. Because that's how pumpkins roll. There's some really twisty ones down in here. Look at how twisty this is.
Wow, I saw it.
They touched something and they got all twisted up.
There's
There's another female that looks...
line. Ah! My popsicle.
There's another one that looks like it was recently pollinated. That was probably yesterday or the day before. We got lots of flowers this year. There's a bee. Hello, little bee. Please help me make pumpkins. You can self-fertilize. A lot of people do that, actually. They don't want to leave it to chance. But I actually have a bee right in there right now. And here comes another one. Yay. You want to see the bee that's in the flower? Look at its little bee butt sticking up.
That is dead.
It's not dead. It's down there collecting nectar right now. And see if it collects this pollen off of the center pistil right here.
Don't.
I won't bother it. Oh, it's one of those green ones. It's a little green sweat bee. I don't remember what, are they sweat bees?
Yeah, that's it.
They have a name. I don't remember what it is. But yeah, they're green. You see how it's metallic green? See, it's dipping its little proboscis into the flower to sip up proboscis to sip up the nectar. Do you remember what the proboscis is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a tongue.
That's right.
And butterflies have them.
Butterflies have them too, don't they?
Mom,
Yeah?
can you teach people about bugs? Please.
I would love that. Can we teach them about ladybugs?
Yeah. And butterflies and yellow jackets and bees.
What? I love that idea. Yes, please.
We can do all of those things. Like look at them, find them, talk about them, and learn about their life cycle.
Yeah, that we can. There's a bee visiting the female flower.
Oh, good.
But I don't think this one visited a male first. So this one's not pollinating the female. Oh, look, the little proboscis is sticking. She's sticking it right up in there.
Let's do the ladybug.
Oh, you scared her when you stepped on the rail. It shook.